Let's practice Kapalabhati breath, or breath of fire. This is a super energizing breath. So start by bringing your hands together and rub your hands briskly. Let's make some heat in our hands. This is a forceful exhale. So we'll do this breath imagining that we're blowing out candles on a birthday cake. When your hands are warm, go ahead and place one hand on your belly and the other on your leg or your desk. The hand that's on your belly is going to start pumping in very gently. We're going to use that pumping motion to help us push breath out of our mouth. So the belly comes in. The more you practice, you can start to use the muscles of your belly by themselves. That hand is just there to guide. Keep going. We'll do about 10 more. Exhale all the way out. Take a deep breath in. Hold the breath at the top. And then exhale slowly. Take a couple of normal breaths. Notice how the top of your head feels. This is known as the skull shining breath. It brightens our brains. Open your eyes when you're ready. See if the room looks a little brighter. Enjoy the rest of your day.